5 years ago, Scott Plummer was told he'd never walk again after suffering a massive stroke. Today, this former semi-professional football player is being helped by a treatment not normally associated with stroke recovery. Dr. Christos Boulias with the West Park Healthcare Centre in Toronto specializes in the treatment of stroke and the symptoms of spasticity. Patients like Scott can be helped by injections of botulinum toxin A, commonly known as Botox.
Well, spasticity, which is a condition that affects muscles in the affected limb of an individual with a stroke, whereby those muscles become very tight, may cause problems with that person's general care. Botulinum toxin, which in Canada is known as Botox, is a medication that's injected in the affected muscle. This molecule blocks the signal from the nerve to that particular muscle, that spastic muscle, therefore making that muscle less spastic or loose.
After suffering a stroke in 2002, Scott's muscles in his left arm and leg seized up. Called spasticity, many stroke survivors live with the resulting stiffness and muscle pain that dramatically affects their quality of life.
I couldn't even walk. I was in a wheelchair for 5 months. So I kept going to therapy until I could walk with a cane. My goal is to be totally back to the way I was before with my legs. Hopefully within 6 months to a year I'll be there.
Scott's doing remarkably well thanks to rehabilitation exercises, Botox, and the love and support of friends and family.
Stroke has an impact not only on the patient but also on their families. We know that approximately 50% of caregivers will develop some psychological stress as a result of managing a person or a family member or a friend with stroke. To help individuals and family members cope with the disability of stroke, Stroke Recovery Canada has published an excellent guide which is called the Caregiver's Guide to Stroke, which will help individuals learn about their various disabilities and impairments.
The Caregiver's Guide to Stroke Recovery booklet is available online at strokerecoverycanada.com, as well as selected rehab institutions. Sherry Dematarco reporting.